Hello, my name is Paul Dainty and I am a Senior Product Engineer in the Leica Captivate team here in Switzerland. Today I want to introduce you to our latest Captivate release, version 850. In this video, I will be looking at 5 features across the software and how each of them can impact your work. A new tool for easy access to regional configuration files, snapping to corner, end and center points in CAD and IFC files, as well as improving zooming in the 3D viewer. Changing lines on the fly in stake to line and measure to line apps, and adding the popular tilt strength meter into GNSS mode. I will start with the regional configuration tool. With Captivate version 8.10, we introduce support of our new cloud service, Hexagon GeoCloud Drive. Now with 8.50, we are further utilizing the power of that service to deliver free online access to locally important content. Your regional sales representatives are now able to publish local content such as state or country coordinate systems, geoid models, configurations, code lists, style sheets or sample data. This content is then available for you via our new regional configuration tool. It doesn't matter if you are a cartographer in Canada, a geodesist in Japan, or a surveyor in Switzerland. Simply select the country you're interested in, view the content specific to your region, and then download whatever you need. Here, I am downloading a sample IFC file of this showroom in Heerbrugg, Switzerland. Next, I want to show you 2 new features within the 3D viewer: snapping and improved zooming. With Captivate version 8.50, we are introducing a new selection option to increase the ease and efficiency of working with CAD and IFC files. As you can see, with this sample IFC file, there are numerous objects with which we can interact. However, it is quite likely that what we really need to interact with are a few points that define an object, such as the corner of a wall or window. By activating the new snap to corner and snap to arc center functions, we can quickly and easily select some points from this file without having to import entire objects. We can then just press and hold on the screen to enter the context menu, allowing us to choose exactly what we want to do with these points, such as using them in COGO computations, or choosing to stake them out, exactly as I am doing here. Additionally, any points created using this method retain the same metadata that Captivate normally stores when importing CAD and IFC data, including the IFC object's GUID, as seen here. Even with snapping, some objects in a 3D viewer are so small and close together it can be hard to understand them at first glance. This is where our increased zoom level helps. As with Captivate version 8.50, we are enabling you to get closer to your data than we ever have before. Now let's look at a new way to switch the line in use on the fly within the stake to line and measure to line apps. As we enter into one of these apps, we are prompted to define our line to use and then enter into the measurement screen, where we can start measuring and comparing our current position to the selected line. However, if we want to change the line that Captivate is using, we previously had to stop measuring and return to the line definition screen. With Captivate 8.50, we can now simply tap and hold on a different line and select to use that line instead. Then, the line in use is instantly changed without interruptions in our measurements procedure, allowing us to get more information in less time and complete our tasks more efficiently. Next, we can move outside and switch into GS mode as we start to work with the GS18i to demonstrate this video's final new feature, the tilt strength meter. With Captivate 8.30, we brought transparency to the AP20's tilt initialization through a tilt strength indicator. Now, with Captivate 8.50, we are doing the same for GNSS tilt rovers, such as this GS18i, by bringing in this popular feature into GS mode. As we move our GS18 around, we can directly see the impact that our movements have on the strength of the initialization. Not only does this provide feedback on how different movements have a different impact, it also allows you to spot when the GS has been stationary for too long, so that you can react and move it again. With this all said, I would like to bring this video to a close, and also remind you that for a full explanation of all these features and a few others, you can speak to your local Leica Geosystems representative, or check out the version 850 release notes now available on my world.